this question asked in GATE 2016 in 2 marks. Okay, so let's see what it is saying and what it is asking from you. For a host machine that uses the token bucket algorithm for congestion control, right? The token bucket has capacity of 1 megabyte. This is nothing but initial capacity of the token bucket. This is what initial capacity. This is what we need to write all what is given. As I told you many times, this is initial capacity of the token bucket is how 1 megabyte. Okay, fine. And the maximum output rate is what? 20 megabytes. This is the maximum output rate. Okay, is represented by M. How many? 20 megabytes MB. Okay, per second. Okay, tokens arrive at a rate to transmit output at a rate of 10 megabits per second. 10 megabits per second. Okay, so this is given what? Token rate. This is given what? Token rate 10 megabits per second. 10 megabits per second. Okay, this is also in per second. Okay, the token bucket is currently full and the machine needs to send 12 megabytes of data. Means total data machine wants to send. What is the size of the total data? 12 megabyte it wants to send. So there is a formula in the token bucket algorithm. What is this formula? C plus rho S equal to ms. This m is what? Output rate. This s is what? Velocity traffic time. This rho is what? Token rate, and this c is what? Initial capacity. Everything is given, and we need to calculate what? The velocity traffic. Okay, time. Okay, it is asking you the minimum time required to transmit the data is in seconds. Okay, so initial capacity is what? 1 MB plus token rate is what? 10 Mbps. Okay, per second. Okay, and s is there. Need to calculate the velocity traffic time. And what is the output rate? 20 megabits per second, and also multiplied with s. So what is this? 1 MB equal to what? 20 minus 10 what? Into s. Okay, per second. So s equal to what? 1 MB divided by what? 10 MB per second. So this will go above. So what you will get? 0.1 second. Okay, so in 0.1 second, how many data we can transmit? In 0.1 second? Okay, so if the output rate is what? 20 Mbps. So in 0.1 second we can transmit how many data? If the output rate is token, or if the output rate of the token bucket is 20 megabits per second, so 0.1 into 20 megabits per second, then how much? 2 megabyte. How much? 2 megabyte data we can transmit, and the total data which machine wants to send 12 megabytes, and the remaining data is what? That much we can able to transmit. Then the remaining data is what? 12 minus 2, then how much? 10 megabyte. Okay, so in 0.1 second we can transmit, if in 0.1 second we can transmit 1 megabyte. Okay, so how many time we need to send the remaining 10 megabytes? Okay, so 10 megabyte into what? 0.1 seconds. So what you will get? 1 second. Okay, so 1 MB you are sending in 0.1 second, and the remaining data you can also sending in 1 second. Then the total time is what? 0.1 plus this 1 second. Okay, how much? 1.1 second. How much? 1.1 second. This is the final answer. So you needs minimum time required to transmit the data is what? 1.1 seconds total time. Okay, so this is the answer for this question. Okay, you can see the solution. So this is the formula. So S is what? You are getting 0.1 second. In 0.1 second data transmit equal to what? Output that is what? 20 megabits per second, then 2 MB. Total data this machine wants to send is how much? 12 megabytes. Need to minus 12 minus 2, how much is remaining? 10 megabytes. Okay, 10 megabytes is remaining, right? So if 1 MB takes 0.1 second, then 10 MB will take what? This 1 second. Total time is what? 0.1 plus 1, how much? 1.1 second. Okay, thank you.
If you really like the video, please hit the like button, share the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.